Hello, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. For those who are here for the first time, my name is Zwangu. I just want to welcome you. Today, we are going to look at another Shona proverb, and this time is Simbi Inorohwa Ichapisa. Simbi Inorohwa Ichapisa. This Shona proverb is similar to the English proverb make hay while the sun shines. What this proverb means is that we need to make the most of a favorable situation while it lasts. So, to clearly give you a picture of what this proverb means, I'm going to leave you to listen to a short story.
Have you ever heard of the phrase, make hay while the sun shines? It's a proverb that has been echoing across generations, a simple yet profound reminder to seize the opportunities that come our way. Picture a farmer in the heartland. It's the heart of summer. The skies are clear, the sun is high, and the fields are abundant with tall golden grass. This is the perfect time for the farmer to harvest the hay. He knows that the weather is fickle and the sunny days might not last. So he works from dawn to dusk, tirelessly turning the grass into hay, storing it away for the long winter months. This farmer understands a fundamental truth about life. Opportunities, like sunny days, are fleeting. They come and go with the wind, and if we don't act when they present themselves, we might miss out on them. Now apply this to your own life. Each day, each moment is an opportunity waiting to be seized. The sun is shining right now in your life, in some way or the other. Perhaps there's a business opportunity you've been contemplating, a book you've been meaning to write, or a relationship you've been meaning to mend. Like the farmer, it's important to recognize these golden opportunities and make the most of them. We can't control when these opportunities will come our way, or how long they will last, but we can control how we respond to them. And the best response is action. We can't afford to wait for the right time, because the right time is now. The sun is shining, and it's time to make hay. In summary, making hay while the sun shines means recognizing and seizing opportunities when they present themselves, without delay. It means taking action when the circumstances are in our favor, rather than waiting for a perfect moment that may never come. It's about making the most of the present moment, because like the sun, it won't last forever. It's a reminder that life is fleeting and we should seize it while we can. The sun is shining in your life right now. The question is, are you ready to make hay?